I know that. Ano mo na mo, correct? Pushi, madali lang ka doon. Okay. Yeah. Alright, that's
Ito sa harina. Guys, maharina ta guys. Harina guys. Ibudbud natin sila sa harina.
ano pagit lang ga?
Sa flour.
Di, takagal.
Pak!
Amo na ikaw na lang.
Oo, ako muna din na ibudbud. Di mo lang na Oo, ako na lang Hello guys, our vlog for today is Who Knows Me Better? Kung sino yung mali, right? Kung sino yung mali ay bibigyan ng pulbo. Hindi siya pulbo, it's a flour. Then, poke. Hala, bago yung blouse ko.
That's fine.
A poke. And then, poke. Ala! Kung sino yung mali?
Mama. Ay, naka-shorts ka.
Naka-short. Hindi pala short. Ano ni? Palda short. Tara. Diba?
So namin, where are we gonna...
First question.
Okay.
What is Mama's shoe size?
Okay. Shoe size, Rex.
Basic.
Hindi mo na-
Very basic.
No guy, no guy. Cheat sa mangod mo.
No
Kaya-
cheating.
No cheating. No cheating. No cheating. Load up you say ho. $5 for the
$5 for the
winners.
winner.
Yeah, $5
But you will gonna pay for you.
Wow.
Okay.
Sige, $5.
All right.
Okay.
Your answers in 3, 2, 1.
6.
What's your...
5. Mom say what? What's the answer?
The answer is 5.
Okay.
Just one side, bro. Just only one side.
Okay, 1. No!
Okay, just one.
Should be in the
Should be
face.
the face, bro. Just one side.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Next.
Okay, next.
When is Mama's birthday?
Complete.
Complete
Alright.
with year.
Ano na paying attention? That's one. Wala. We forgot the birthday. 19 ano? Yes, of course, a year. All the way. All the way.
Very old. Fill your answers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Si Rex malagpat. Si Rex yung what?
February 16th, 19,
So I got February
1970.
19, 1977. Rex got
1977.
February 16.
Who has the right answer?
Manong is the right
Manong
one.
is the right
You're
one.
not paying attention in your nose. That's fine.
No
Take
wiping,
that
no
pen.
wiping.
No wiping. No wiping.
Okay. This is her favorite color.
Oh my gosh.
He gonna win.
My
you have a
favorite
favorite
color.
Do you have a
Do you have a
Of
favorite
course
color?
I
Mama?
have.
Okay.
Wala, hindi sa kabal. You don't know my favorite color.
Never mind.
Wala ka to. Gusto ko masala sa ilang
For some reason, nakaitom ka mga tatlo.
gani.
Unplanned. Okay. Reveal your answers in 3, 2, 1.
I got blue.
Wait!
Wait,
What?
hold on. We gotta see the answer first. Yellow.
Blue and yellow.
Yellow is my favorite.
Next. What is Mama's height? I don't know if you know your height. You know your height? Okay.
Do you know you're right?
I guess. Siguro di ka maluwa.
Rex seems to be confident with this answer. So fast. Let me know when you're ready. Alright? Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Hala, grabe.
4'8".
4'9".
4'8", 4'9". Wala kami ya kabalo. Yang nga duwa. Di ka mo
What's your
kabalo.
What's your height?
4'10".
You don't. Bento box.
Teriyaki.
The
Yes.
teriyaki. The teriyaki.
But you guys wrong.
Okay, no. Don't let walk.
I know that was for sure.
Ano mo na mo, Rex?
Wow, fantastic.
Nag-oily siguro si RJ. Siguro kami nagatapik.
His eyes.
You okay, bro?
Bro, it's my glasses.
Oh yeah, your
Sorry,
glasses.
Okay, next.
Sorry. Okay. You're gonna do this.
Okay, next.
Tony.
Easy. What
Okay,
is
very
her
easy.
hobby? What does she,
Ooh,
she
my
love to
hobby.
do? Oh, very easy na lang give me.
Very easy.
Thank you for saving me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wala pa
Yeah.
gani.
Wala pa ko na. Oh, sige.
Cooking.
Wala pa ka sa katapos siya.
How about you? TikTok making you. Mama, okay, which one?
Okay, it's my hobby. Yeah. Kagwapo siya. Wala ilang ka
Just one, damn. Game.
Okay. Does she prefer?
Di nyo ko pagana kay pag-uni ako.
What's her favorite holiday? She keeps saying this.
Yes. My
keeps saying-
favorite holiday.
What is it? 3.
Nah.
Ala, next wala this talay.
Huh?
Don't change it. Wala ka din mo yan. Sige na.
3, 2, 1, go. Christmas. Yes.
Nag-change siya
He
yun.
said Valentine's.
You said first Valentine. So,
So that's how many questions already? 8?
last to damihan natin, guys.
Oh. Okay, what's her favorite season?
Hi! Rexy! Ay, Paxi.
Yeah? Ready?
Season. What's her favorite season?
What is my favorite season?
Magic
Oh.
sarap.
Funny.
Yeah, may drawing pa si Rex ba? Nalalaman. Aba, kagwapo sila nga duwaw. Itsura sa mga bata ko. Natulog ko sa video. Rex, tulog ko na Rex.
The mga pina... mga pina... Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Summer.
Summer.
Oh, tama, tama.
What's your dream country to travel?
Philippines.
One day.
Philippines.
Butoy.
Dream country, like you
Yes,
haven't
dream
been to yet.
Yes. Dream country. Yes, of course.
Everyone.
So, actually, patanan yun, right? Get right. We always talk about it.
Ooh. Okay, 3,
Because we don't you cheating!
3, 2, 1, go.
Japan!
Japan. Same,
Yeah, I didn't-
same with
I
us.
didn't look. I didn't
You
look.
look.
I was gonna put.
So,
All right, that's it.
I think Manong
I
LG
think I won.
won.
I won.
But you won lots of ano?
Flower in your
Flower.
face.
But thank you, Rex. That's fun.
Thank you, Rex, na.
Thank you, Rex, and thank you, LJ.
You're welcome.
Mahal na pilitan.
So
Who
you
do,
won
who,
5
got,
bro.
who do you think
Thank
won?
you, May.
Sino
I
ang-
guess LJ won. And LJ knows me better than Rex because sometimes Rex not paying attention on my birthday. That's so sad. Actually. February 16?
I just wait for
February
it.
19.
Even at least the 19th.
Yes, the 19. I never forget your birthday because you always asked everything. But me, you forgot. That's February 19. That's so sad. And yes, my dream. Me and Rex, we always talk about
Japan.
Yeah, I want to visit in Japan.
Me too.
Yay! Anyway, guys, thanks for watching and follow LJ and Arrow, right?
Yeah.
LJ and Arrow on YouTube, and
How about
all of you guys, of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, comment section, kung may mga comment kayo na gusto nyo
Mga
ipagawa sa aming mga request, mag-comment kayo sa comment section, and hopefully guys, na-enjoy kayo. At tingnan yung mukha ng dalawa. Look at their face. Show your face. Ito malaki. Video. Aswang.
Ayan,
So
bye.
anyway guys, thank you for
Okay, thanks for
May
watching.
2. Thanks for watching. Bye.